Short English Tagalog lesson. Ako ay palabas na. I am just about to go out. Ikaw ay kakantahin na ang kanta. You are just about to sing the song. Kami ay bibili na ng mga merienda. We are just about to buy snacks. Sila ay tatawagan na si Tom. They are just about to call Tom. Siya ay mag-eehersisyo na. He is just about to exercise. Si Mario ay magsusulit na. Mario is just about to take the exam.